Did you know the IRS is facing unprecedented delays in processing tax refunds this year? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the 2023 IRS tax refund update and discussing the unexpected delays and the frustrating 60-120-day wait many taxpayers are experiencing. Tax season is always a time of anticipation, but in 2023, many taxpayers are in a frustrating limbo, waiting longer than expected for their refunds. If you filed your tax return this year and are still waiting, you're not alone. Here's a comprehensive look at what's causing these delays and what you can do about it. So, why are tax refunds taking longer this year? The IRS has cited several reasons for these unprecedented delays. Let's break them down. First, the IRS is dealing with a significant backlog from previous years. The COVID-19 pandemic caused major disruptions, and the agency is still catching up on millions of unprocessed returns from 2020 and 2021. Second, staffing shortages have compounded the issue. The IRS has been operating with fewer employees, making it harder to process returns quickly. Despite efforts to hire more staff, the process takes time. Third, increased scrutiny and fraud prevention measures have slowed things down. The IRS has implemented more rigorous checks to prevent fraudulent claims, which, while necessary, add to the processing time. These delays mean that instead of the usual 21-day turnaround, many taxpayers are seeing waits of 60 to 120 days. This can be especially frustrating if you're relying on your refund for essential expenses. But what can you do in the meantime? Here are some steps you can take to expedite your refund potentially. First, ensure there are no mistakes or missing information on your return. Even small errors can cause significant delays. Second, opt for direct deposit if you haven't already. It's the fastest way to receive your refund once it's processed. Third, use the "Where's my refund?" tool on the IRS website or the IRS To Go mobile app to monitor the status of your refund. Fourth, if it's been more than 21 days since you filed electronically or more than 6 weeks since you mailed your paper return, consider contacting the IRS for an update. Fifth, while waiting, prepare for potential delays in future years by adjusting your withholdings to ensure you're not relying too heavily on your refund for financial stability. We understand how stressful these delays can be, but staying informed and proactive can help you navigate this challenging time. Remember, despite the setbacks, the IRS is working hard to process your returns as quickly as possible, despite the setbacks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates and financial tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have questions or need further assistance? Leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help you out. That's all for today's update on the 2023 IRS tax refund delays. We hope you found this information useful. Remember, staying informed is key to managing your finances effectively. Until next time, take care and stay safe. This script outlines the key points and structure for a YouTube video discussing the 2023 IRS tax refund delays. It includes detailed explanations, helpful tips, and encourages viewer engagement. Adjustments can be made to fit the style and tone of the specific channel and host.